In this video I will tell you how to grow your new YouTube channel. I will tell you 3 methods to grow your new channel really fast, so watch full video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Step number 1. Share your video. Don't share your video to your family and friend and relative because they will not watch full video, so share your video in Facebook and Instagram. You can join Facebook group and you can that I have made YouTube, so subscribe my channel, and you also share your video to Reddit and Skype. Doing this will gain your 100 subscriber in 2 days, trust me, and do that. Step number 2. Make video which your audience like. For example, your audience are saying that make a video on gaming, but you are making video of cooking, so your audience will not watch your video and they will unsubscribe you, so always make which your audience like. I hope you understand. Step number 3. Make video on trending things. For example, if you have a gaming channel, so make a video on trending game. For example, GTA 5 is on trending, so you can make a video of GTA 5, and Free Fire is also in trending, so you can also make a video of Free Fire. So always try to make videos on trending topic. So that it's I hope you like. If you like, so subscribe. See you in next video. Bye.